Check these for any soft spots or mold.
Got it. These look firm.
Good, keep an eye out for color variations.
Understood. This batch is passed.
Perfect, let's keep it moving. Air drying systems remove excess water from strawberries before strawberry jam processing.
These strawberries look perfect. No damage.
Agreed, ready for the next batch.
Let's sort them by size.
On it, this batch is ready for the vat. Great, let's keep the line moving. Rotary crushers break strawberries into pulp for further strawberry jam processing. The pulp is then conveyed for the next stage of production. Now we'll add powdered pectin to our strawberry mixture to help it thicken. Pour it in steadily while stirring and you'll see the mixture begin to gel. Keep stirring until it thickens to the perfect jam consistency. Citric acid is added to balance flavor in strawberry jam formulation. This lowers the pH, enhancing the sweet and tart balance. Stirring ensures even distribution. Steam jackets provide consistent heating for uniform strawberry jam texture. Viscosity is rising steadily. Increasing the pectin flow now. Good, confirm the reading.
It's 3200 CP within spec.
Hold this temperature. Viscosity is rising steadily. Increasing the pectin flow now. Good, confirm the reading.
It's 3200 CP within spec.
Hold this temperature. The mixture thickens visibly as strawberry jam reaches desired consistency. The mixture thickens visibly as strawberry jam reaches desired consistency. Stir steadily to prevent burning and achieve a glossy texture. The jam is ready when it coats the spoon. Holding tanks maintain temperature stability for strawberry jam before filling. This ensures the product remains at optimal viscosity for the filling process. The result is consistent quality. Precise volumetric filling ensures equal quantities of strawberry jam. Batch codes are printed on each strawberry jam jar for traceability. This ensures every jar can be tracked through production, a key step for quality and safety. Applying the sample now.
Okay, ready for the reading.
I'm getting 68 bricks.
That's within spec. Noting it.
Good. Next sample.
Microbiological tests ensure our strawberry jam meets safety standards. First, we open the jar and collect a sample onto an agar plate. This helps detect any harmful bacteria.
Microbiological tests ensure our strawberry jam meets safety standards. First, we open the jar and collect a sample. Then, we streak the sample onto an agar plate. This helps detect any harmful bacteria.
Microbiological tests ensure safety standards of strawberry jam. First, we inoculate the sample onto a petri dish. Then, we incubate it to detect any microbial growth.
All right, let's begin. We'll evaluate the strawberry jam's flavor accuracy. The flavor is bright with a balanced sweetness. I'll note that. Let's get your ratings. Shelf life simulation tests ensure durability of strawberry jam. The process accelerates aging to predict long-term stability. Post-test inspection confirms the jam's quality remains for consumers. Shelf life simulation tests ensure the durability of strawberry jam. Jars are placed in a controlled chamber to simulate aging. Time-lapse reveals the jam maintains its quality over time.
Final inspection. Check every jar before dispatch. Seals are good here.
This one is fine. Moving on.
Labels are all correct.